Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm analyzing the market, today's price action. Friday, it was a huge fall, closing near the low of the day. Same pattern, on and on. Market is repeating the same pattern. So, what happened today is due to the handover from the overnight US market, Gift Nifty was showing 121 points gap up, but when market opened, it opened only almost, I think it was just 72 points gap up. But the thing was, it was above this structure, above this price intraday price level, that is 24,959, and this was 24,961.5. That itself was a change of character, and apart from that, it was a gap up. Then immediately I had made in my morning video that immediately one should not enter into the market, wait for the dust to settle and take when it comes to a discount level. So the same thing happened. The market next candle, it moved up to 24,973 and it started coming down around 10:15. After 1 hour, it made a low of 24,913. Probably some people might have pressed uh, sell button thinking that it will go down. Actually, when the market is opening within the range of previous day low, one should be careful. Unless it breaches the previous day low, then only it is a sell thing. So the most of the traders, they do mistakes by taking the put option and they press the button, and some people will be very smart to get out of the position, but some people will hold and get trapped. Actually, it was a buy and dip today market, and later you can see the market rallied almost 148 points, going up to 25,021. It was the VIX level, yesterday's VIX level. Yesterday, I had marked this 25,022 as the daily square root level. VIX square root level. So it exactly went there and then it started coming down. Now, what can happen tomorrow is the continuation of this move, because usually when the market starts moving one up and two up, this is the second, and we may expect this leg of movement in the market tomorrow. That is 115 points up move we can anticipate in the market, coming up to 25,062. It can go up to 25,062, and this is the breakdown level from where the market has come down. The market can reach up to 25,065, and even it can go past this level also. We need to wait and watch, and based on the India VIX levels, the levels calculated are 25,121 and daily low to be 24,840. So tomorrow, since this is an inside bar formed in the market, so you need to be very careful. Any up move and rejection can create sell-off in the market. If the market starts rejecting from this level around this level because it is the breakdown level. From this level, if it starts moving down like this, it can sell off, it can come down because there will be lot of volatility in the market because it is an inside bar. Inside bar are volatility trigger bars. You need to be careful. So market can initially move upwards and later we need to see how the price action will be. If it starts moving down and if it starts breaking below, you can see huge down move coming below, breaching this low. Market can breach this low because on Wednesday there is a holiday. Probably a profit booking may come on the tomorrow, Tuesday. Tuesday is also Sensex monthly expiry as well as weekly expiry. You need to be careful. You need to be very careful tomorrow because this may be the price action anticipated. You can anticipate this price action, but we are going to go with the flow, how the market moves. But we will be knowing the levels, where are the levels of resistance and where are the levels of support. So, since the market after moving higher, it can breach this level and this leg of down move we can anticipate from here. So market can breach this level, can go down to 24,764 also, breaching below 24,814. So one need to be very careful tomorrow. So the note down the levels, weekly low to be 24,560 and weekly high to be, I have not plotted, 25,200 something it has come. So the price action is actually, you can see it is the market had gapped up and it has peaked on the Thursday. Friday was down move and Monday it is within the range of Friday's price action. So anything can happen on Tuesday. One need to be cautious approach should be there in the market. Coming to the Bank Nifty already it has fallen down. You can see there was no movement upside. You can see there was a gap up little bit, but market has breached this Friday's low. The direction is down in the Bank Nifty, breached the low. Intraday it made an high and it can trade downwards also. The levels to watch for the Bank Nifty, first support to be 54,799. If it starts going below this, it will breach the monthly low. This is the monthly low, 54,946. It can do that. Otherwise, first resistance is seen around 55,478. See, the market had come, this is the VWAP, anchored VWAP. Below this price action, market has consolidated in the previous to previous week. If I point that this one is the Tuesday and it is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday. So you need to carefully watch the price action. Since it is a double bottom, the market can take support around here and reverse also. Possibility of reversal can come in the market, or initially it can gap up and go up to the 55,478 and it may start its downward journey. So the Monday from the Friday, the price action is downwards. It has breached the uh, Friday's low, but it has closed inside the Friday's low. If I change it to daily time frame, so a dozy, small dozy has been formed in the market. So if there is a continuation of this move, down move, it can move down like this. Market can breach this level and it may continue its downward move below this. We can anticipate for a downward trajectory. I am on the daily chart. You can see from here it can breach it and it can reach this target too. Bank Nifty is weak and a dozy is formed. So you need to indecision candle after the fall. So it is a pause. So any breach below this level will trigger more selling in the market. So you need to be cautious on both the indices and you need to trade wisely. Today, it was a very good trade if you would have waited patiently because it had given a very good move from the level of 24,904 to 24,000, 25,021. So this was an up move one could have captured if they would have waited patiently, if they wouldn't have taken wrong trade. So friends, I wish you all happy trading day and wise trade. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.